Hi everyone. So I'm just doing my nails and I didn't have any nail forms, so I ended up using masking tape. It's dirty, sorry. So I didn't see anyone else on YouTube doing their nails with masking tape. I've seen them make DIY nail forms, but this is how I did it. So I took a piece of tape and I folded it in half and I creased it nice and flat and I curled it just a little bit. Because this is going to go underneath your nail, like so. And then you're going to take another piece of tape. I put this right here. I put another one right here. And then I take this one that we folded and I just secure all of it. So once I look at it from the side and I see that it's adjusted the way I want, then I have Polygel, the Gershwin brand. This is Red Bean. Yeah, this is my DIY nail form. Okay, so I adjusted it off camera. My natural free edge is flush with the tape, and then I'm just gonna use another piece of tape just to really secure it. Keep it out the way. Now I'm going to take my Polygel, just a little bit. I don't need that much for my pinky. Alright, so I just finished doing the extension. I'm going to cure this in my lamp. As you can see, it's pretty thin, but I'm gonna add more product and shape it, trying to get like a natural thickness. But yeah, this is what I have. Just curing my nail underneath the lamp for about 60 seconds. Okay, so I finished this hand. Now I'm going to add some top coats and finish up.